morning, class. Good morning. Is the attendance? Dominic.
Present.
Sifuna.
Present.
Dominic.
Present.
Joy.
Present.
What's number? The name? The name? Who is you?
Mnyoni Wanyoni.
Oh, Nyoni.
Yes.
Present. What's the date today? So, who can remind us what we learned on our last lesson? Yes. We learned about if. Yes.
Follow.
No.
If else.
If else.
Else if.
Else if. So what did we call this one? Decision making. Decision making. So today we'll be looking at the for loop, not for loop, loops. So by the end of the lesson, the learner who is you will be able to define iteration, loops, be able to define syntax of the loops and to draw flowchart. So we look at decision making. So today we'll be looking at loops. So in loops, so sometimes we write programs, we write statements. So if we want these statements to be repeated more than one time, we use what we call what? Loops. So in loops, we have three types of loops. One, we have for loop. Two, we have while loop. And three, we have do while loop. Let's start from for loop. For loop. In for loop, this is a type of iteration where we already know the number of iterations, the number of times the statements will be executed. And in for loops, we have the condition is checked first, then the statement is executed if the condition is true. So let's come to the syntax of the for loop. Syntax of the for loop. In syntax of the for loop, we have the keyword form. What did you say a keyword is? A keyword, who can remind us what is a keyword? Yes, Mnyoni?
Again, an example maybe like a verb.
No. You can say that a keyword, this is a reserved word. This is a reserved word. We say it's a reserved word. So we have for, which is our reserved word. Then we have initialization. Then we have the condition itself. Then we have update. We have initialization, conditions, update. In update, this is where we have the increment and the decrement. Yes, good. So when we come to the for loop, let me show you a demonstration of the for loop. Can everyone see it? So in initialize, we will have an arrow where we have initialization, then the condition is checked. If the condition is true, the statement is executed. If it's false, the program ends. So let's have a simple program that that will print, let's say, 1 to 10 numbers. So how do we start our C program? Thereby hash std dot. Then we go to the main function. Then we declare variables. Let's say int I is equals to 1. Yes, we are printing number 1 to 10. So we go to 4. What do you say initialization will be? I should be equal to 1. And then what is the condition? I should be less than or equal to 10. Then our update equilibrium. I plus. Then what are you doing? You are printing. Print F. Print F. You are printing I. Then we close. Return. This is a simple program to print 1 to 10 numbers. Any question? Yes?
Okay, about the
Yes.
the include part in the what does it mean?
Which one?
On the printf.
Printf, this one.
Yeah, the include part. Yeah.
This one. We say this one is a specifier. This percent D is used to specify the data type that will be outputted. We say percent D is for integer, and percent C is for character, and percent F is for float. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
A question.
Yes. A question.
We have we already will define our variable and then we assign. But I think in the for loop again we have repeated the assignment. Is that correct? Logically.
Let me just correct here. Say int I like that. Yes. You are attentive. Another question? Yes.
Are we allowed to initialize? No, because the specifier percentage I in place of percentage D.
Yes. Another, we can either use percent D or percent I. That's a good question. Another question? Let me give an assignment. Write a C program to output a mathematical table. Let's say you can use an example as 5 times 1 is equals to 5. Yes. Where's the class rep? Class rep, make sure this work reaches my desk by Monday, 8 a.m. Have a good day.